Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone relying on their SCANJiet N9120 plotter, the L2683A power supply board. When a plotter starts acting up, especially with power issues, it can bring an entire workflow to a halt. That's where a reliable replacement part like this comes into play, offering a potential lifeline for your valuable equipment. This particular power supply board, identified as the L2683A, is designed as a direct replacement for the SCANJiet N9120, as well as the IR4067K205NI models. It's engineered to handle a wide voltage range, from 100 to 230 volts, making it quite versatile for various power setups. Now, it's important to understand that this isn't a genuine, brand new part, straight from the original manufacturer. Instead, it's presented as a high-quality replacement. The condition note for this item is quite specific. It will be either a compatible new unit or an original refurbished one, and the specific type you receive will be sent randomly. This means you might get a brand new board manufactured to be compatible with your plotter, or you could receive an original board that has been professionally refurbished to meet operational standards. Both options are intended to provide the necessary functionality to get your plotter back up and running smoothly. The key takeaway here is that regardless of whether it's new compatible or refurbished original, the goal is to deliver a working solution. Before making any purchase, the vendor strongly advises checking the item's appearance and, most importantly, its part number. This step is absolutely critical to ensure that the board you're ordering will indeed work seamlessly with your existing plotter. Mismatched parts can lead to further frustration, so taking a moment to verify compatibility against your original component is a wise move. This isn't a customizable part, so what you see in terms of specifications is what you get. Ultimately, for those facing power supply failures with their SCANJiet N9120 or similar plotters, this L2683A replacement board offers a practical and cost-effective alternative to investing in an entirely new machine. It provides a pathway to extend the life of your plotter, ensuring your printing operations can continue without significant interruption. It's about getting your essential equipment back to peak performance with a reliable, albeit non-genuine, replacement part.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.